I just noticed that when you hear the screams in the back, which you probably do right now, you can hear the screams, you can hear people talking, but you can't really tell what language they're speaking. I mean, if I didn't know any better, I wouldn't know. If you're at a distance, at some point it just sounds the same. It just sounds like humans being alive. And I think that's cool. Like, it really actually doesn't matter what language we speak. At the end of the day, every fucking scream and shouting and whatever they're saying, because I can't really hear. But I hear noise. Whatever it is so universal to all of us. I could be in fucking China, America, somewhere, and I would hear the exact same sound if I were at the pool. I'm so excited for summer. Like, I'm really excited. It's already summer, I know. But like, what I mean is that I'm really excited for all of the stuff that's going to happen. Because I feel it in my fucking bones that it's gonna be the best summer so far. Not ever. There will be a better one, I know that. But like, the best one so far. How do I know? Girl, I don't know. I just know. Intuition, babes. Intuition. I have not left this place all day. Partially because I'm alone, but not really. I mean, it's part of it. Have you seen this, babe? Have you seen this? Looks really small in the camera. I promise it's huge. You know? This is my baby. She's so pretty, and I feel like someone's gonna snatch her. She's my babe. She's not gonna leave my side. No. Except for when I'm with my friends. Then it's okay. But yeah. I don't feel like going to the water today.